Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minute chart we have opened huge gap down and there was a good recovery in the first half. This was a good recovery because the retailers who were holding a short position they have closed their short positions here. That's why we have seen some short covering here, and also the big player who was holding a long position they have covered their long unwindings here. After that, we have seen a very good sell off, and in second half, there was some consolidation. People thought this could be a good upside move from here, but there was no diversions, and we have seen a very good sell off. So Nifty closed with 165 points and Bank Nifty closed with 415 points. So now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player have planned. We'll follow by FII. In options input, they were holding 2.18 lakhs of put buying contract. Today drastically they have increased 1.56 lakhs of put buying, and in call they were holding 2.17 lakhs of call buying contract. Today they have increased 1.62 lakhs of call buying. So see, again they have hedged their call buying versus put buying in the naked buying options, whereas in option writing what they have done. So see, FII in option writing we have seen a 6 lakhs of call writing and 5.43 lakhs of put writing. Here also slight they are negative only, but this is also a hedging position they have made. Whereas in future index 70% long, 30% short, they have unwinded 3% long, increased 3% short, and in stock future percentage 53% long, 47% short, and in cash market they have purchased for 790 crores. Still we will consider FII is positive only. They have not unwinded any of the positions, but they are hedging their F&O and going long in cash market. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 1.60 lakhs of call writing contract. Today drastically they have increased 3.97 lakhs of put writing. So they have 5.58 lakhs of put writing contract, and in call they were holding 2.81 lakhs of call writing. Today they have increased 26,000 contracts. So now they have 3 lakhs of call writing contract. Put writing is more than call writing. It means they are bullish in options. Future index 43% long, 57% short. It means they have increase the long, reduce the short by 1 percentage. In stock future percentage 82% long, 18% short, and in cash market they have sold for 129 crores. So see here, they are negative in futures, they are positive in options. Actually they don't have any directional view. Promoters input, they were holding 1 lakh of put writing contract, so they have unwinded this and made a fresh put buying of 1.39 lakhs contract, and in call they were holding 63,000 of call buying contract. Today they have made a fresh call writing contract of 72,000. So now the promoters become bearish in option buying. What else in option writing? See, promoters still holding a 11 lakhs of put writing contract. Yesterday they were having 11.85 lakhs of put writing, still holding a good number of put writings. Yesterday they were holding 8 lakhs of call writing contract. Today they have increased their call writing. So in option writing, we can believe they are hedging their positions to eat the premium. In future index 40% long, 60% short. It means they have increased the long, reduced the short by 2%. Stock future percentage 63% long, 37% short, and in cash market they have purchased for 276 crores. Promoters they are still positive only. DI have sold for 2,964 crores, so the net value 2,026 crores negative value. Put call ratio Nifty has been cooled down for this week. It is at 0.69, Bank Nifty is at 0.7, so it is neutral now. And for month end, Nifty is at 1.35, Bank Nifty is at 1, so it is super positive for the month end. Now let's check the change in OI Nifty what happened today. So see, good number of call writing we have seen at 19,400 to 19,500, and we can also see huge call writing from 19,400. So major resistance comes around 19,400 only. So Bank Nifty we have seen a good put writing from 44,700 to 45,000. We also see huge call writing at 45,000 to 45,300. Major support resistance comes around 45,000 only. Now let's check the price action. Dow in 1 day time frame they have recovered. They are trading by 100 points, whereas Nasdaq trading by 114 points. Gift Nifty trading slight negative by 71 points, and we have seen India VIX crashing by 2%. It is at 11.5, still very much comfortable. So see, Nifty in 1 day time frame, we have seen a very good selling pressure today, and it has closed red candle, and this is kind of a shooting star kind of a candle, but not purely a shooting star. People call it as inverted hammers also. So it is still wait and watch as per the price action what the next day candle is forming. If next day there is a very good recovery and a good green candle closing, then there should be a continuation of green candle in further coming days. So same with the bank nifty also, it has formed a red candle closing day. So as per the price action, we cannot confirm anything. It is still wait and watch. Mark the algo point. Nifty support comes around 19,250. Resistance comes around 19,470. Bank Nifty support comes around 44,773 and resistance comes around 45,155. So see, as per the open interest analysis, we have a neutral data. The big player are not super positive nor super bearish. We will be getting a good scalping trade at this time, buy on dip and sell on rise in intraday basis only. And also there could be a sideways market also. So that's it for today, guys. Happy weekend. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.